มีอย่างเดียวแล้วเขียนว่าชิคเก้นเหรอ
แต่เนื้อมันนิ่ม
After we had breakfast, we tended to some business for a couple of hours while staying in the hotel room, then headed out for lunch. We walked through some shops and restaurants. It's pretty quiet and hot. We originally planned to go to another restaurant, but that one was closed, so we came to this one instead. I'm not sure if it's because it's not high season for traveling here or if it's already past the meal time, but we were the only customers in the restaurant. Well, look at the bright side, it's pretty private. We ordered prawn pad thai and less spicy pork kapao. Turned out quite spicy for our taste. I feel like southern people generally eat more spicy food than other regions. And we had roti for dessert. It's one of my favorite snacks as a child. They stretch the dough into thin sheets and put it on a flat pan with oil and margarine to fry. I really like watching them being made. It's not as easy as it looks. I tried so many times to make the roti, but stretching it is the tricky part. I always failed. Anyways, my go-to topping is egg, and sometimes plus banana. But the most famous flavor among tourists seems to be Nutella. If you're a Nutella fan, I recommend you try Nutella roti or Nutella crepe, or both. The price is gonna be slightly higher than other flavors, but I think it's worth it. Oh, and I personally feel like it tastes better if you're sharing it with someone else, so find someone to share it with and don't just eat it all by yourself. Depends on their recipe, sometimes they put sugar on it too, but not this one. Afterwards, we walked to the beach and got approached by some local kids. โอ้โหโอ้ยเต็มเลยไม่ได้สังเกตเยอะมากเลยแล้วผมลงไปจับอ๋อเมื่อกี้อันตัวนี้ก็คือมาจากตรงนั้นใช่ไหมโอ้สุดยอดนี่มันเกิดลูกมาปล่อยตัวนี้ The kids were very keen to show us around. Unlike children in the city, without tablets or toys, they often play at the beach catching animals, observe them, and let them go later.
ไม่ไปปล่อยตรงที่เขาปลอดภัยนะคะดูสิเขาลงน้ำแล้วเป็นไงโอ้โหไปอย่างรวดเร็วนี่รอน้ำขึ้นเดี๋ยวเขาก็ไปได้ใช่ไหมใช่กุ้งสุดยอดเลยค่ะโอเคปล่อยน้องขึ้นปล่อยน้องนะ
And since they probably don't get many visitors, they were being really friendly with us. By the way, I think we agreed that this area could use some waste management. It'd be a lot more beautiful and safe for the kids as well if things are a little more tidy and clean. After we finished watching the beach life, my mom treated our energetic little guides to some snacks and drinks before we returned.
ได้น้ำแล้วอยากได้ขนมอะไรโอเคอร่อย
We said goodbye to the kids and headed back to our room to get some rest. If you visit Thailand, especially in summer, make sure you are well prepared for the strong sun and extreme heat. Always keep yourself hydrated and do stay in aircon if needs be. And now we're ready for our evening island tour. First stop is Jugong Pier. We tried our luck one more time, but unfortunately that magic moment didn't happen. So now we're moving on to Charlie Beach, or Hat Farang, the very nice spot to watch sunset. Such a peaceful beach. It's relaxing. I can spend hours appreciating literally everything here. And now it's dinner time. We have stir-fried morning glory, grilled prawns, crab fried rice, and fish tom yum. If you're a seafood lover, have fresh seafood to your heart's content while you're still on the island. And if you need more drinks and snacks, there's a big mart that opens till late at night. We dropped by for some water. The sand here feels so soft. This is like the softest I've ever felt on my feet. Like baking flour. Then we found our little friends. There are so many hermit crabs around the area. It's pretty rare to come across this many hermit crabs at the same time, so we're happy. Do you agree that they look like spiders with a shell? It's odd.